Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mrs. Madiha Siddiq, Subject Specialist Chemistry at Dwindle Public School and College, Sahiwal. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Dear students, you are learning chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry. Let's see our today's learning objectives. Dear students, at the end of the lecture, you will be able to learn about ion and molecular ion. Let's have a look at the previous knowledge. Dear students, you have already learned branches of chemistry, basic definition, element, compound and mixture. Then you learn about atomic number, mass number, relative atomic mass and atomic mass unit. You learn how you can write a chemical formula. Then you learn empirical formula, molecular mass and formula mass. Student, do you know whose picture is this? Yes, of course, you know. This is the picture of an atom. And you know that in atom, proton and neutrons are present in the nucleus while electrons revolve around the nucleus. Do you know that atom has ability to lose or gain electron? Yes, you know. If an atom lose or gain electron, then an atom becomes an ion. So, our today's topic is ions and molecular ion. First of all, let's see what are ions. Do you know whose symbol is this? Yes, this is the symbol of hydrogen atom. Now this hydrogen atom has positive charge on it. And in this, the chlorine atom has negative charge on it. So if an atom or group of atoms has a charge on it, then it becomes an ion. Let's see the definition. Ion is an atom or group of atoms having a charge on it. अगर किसी भी एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम पे कोई चार्ज मौजूद है, हम उसे आयन कहेंगे. Now, as you observe that ions are of two types, ions can carry positive or negative charge on it. The charge may be positive or negative. Students, in this picture you can observe two atoms, atom of sodium and chlorine. You know that the valence shell of sodium has one electron. Sodium loses its one electron from the valence shell, and after the loss of electron, this sodium becomes an ion. After loss of electron, it carries a positive charge on it. So the positively charged ions are called cations. Similarly, the chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its valence shell. This chlorine atom has ability to gain electron. This atom of chlorine gain an electron and is converted into chloride ion. After the gain of electron, it carries a negative charge on it, and negatively charged ions are called anions. Now you better have understanding about the types of ions, that there are two types of ions, that is cations and anions. Let's see what are cations. An atom or group of atoms having positive charge on it is called cation. कोई भी एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम जिस पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा उसे केटाइन कहते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ केटाइंस आर फॉर्म्ड. केटाइन कैसे बनते हैं? व्हेन एटम लॉस इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम देयर आउटर मोस्ट शेल. जब एटम अपने आउटर मोस्ट शेल में से इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करेंगे तो केटाइंस बन जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल सोडियम आयन एंड पोटेशियम आयंस आर केटाइंस. द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशन show the formation of cations from the atoms. Let's see how cations are formed from the atoms. This is the atom of hydrogen. The hydrogen atom loses an electron and is converted into a positively charged ion which is called cation. Similarly, this is the atom of sodium. The sodium atom lost an electron and converted into a positively charged ion which is called cation. This is the atom of calcium. Calcium lost 2 electrons and converted into a cation. Now let's understand what are anions. An atom or group of atom that has a negative charge on it is called anion. कोई भी एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम जिसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा उसे एनाइन कहते हैं. And how anions are formed? Anion is formed by the gain or addition of electron to an atom. जब कोई भी एटम इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर लेता है then it form an anion. Let's see the examples of some anions. Following examples show the formation of an anion by addition of electrons to an atom. Chlorine gained an electron and converted into chloride ion. This chloride ion carry negative charge and it is an anion. Similarly, oxygen gained 2 electrons and converted into oxide ion as it carry a negative charge on it, so that is why it is called anion. Now there is a difference between atom and ion. You have already learned the atom that it is the smallest particle of an element while ion is the smallest unit of an ionic compound. किसी भी ionic compound का जो smallest unit है उसे हम ion कहते हैं. Atom can or cannot exist independently and can take part in a chemical reaction while ion cannot exist independently. Ion independently exist नहीं कर सकते and they are surrounded by oppositely charged ions. Atom is electrically neutral but ion has a net charge on it. Ions के ऊपर चार्ज मौजूद होता है, वो न्यूट्रल नहीं होते हैं. The charge could be negative or positive. Now let's learn about molecular ion. Students, as you know that atom can lose or gain electron, similarly molecule can also lose or gain electron. When a molecule loses or gain an electron, it forms a molecular ion. So molecular ion or radical is a species having positive or negative charge on it. Molecular ion या रेडिकल एक ऐसी स्पीशी है जिसके ऊपर या तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा या नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा. लाइक अदर आयन दे कैन बी केटायनिक मॉलिक्यूलर आयन. अगर तो मॉलिक्यूलर आयन कैरी पॉजिटिव चार्ज देन इट इज कॉल्ड केटायनिक मॉलिक्यूलर आयन and if they carry negative charge then it is an anionic molecular ion. And it has been observed that cationic molecular ions are more abundant than anionic molecular ions. Let's see the example. Examples is the molecule of helium and nitrogen. When gases are bombarded with high energy electrons in a discharge tube, they ionize to give molecular ions. This is how the molecular ions are formed. When we bombard the gases with high energy electron in discharge tube, then what happens? The gases ionize, the molecules of gases ionize and they form molecular ion. Now there is a difference between molecule and molecular ion. You have already learned about molecule that they are the smallest particle of an element or compound which can exist independently, while molecular ion is formed by gain or loss of electron by a molecule. जब कोई भी molecule electron loss or gain करेगा तो उसे molecular ions बनेंगे. Molecule is always neutral while molecular ion have negative or positive charge on it. Molecule is formed by a combination of atoms while a molecular ion is formed by ionization of a molecule. जब एक molecule की ionization होती है तो उससे molecular ion बनते हैं. Molecule is a stable unit while molecular ion is a reactive species. It was all about today's lecture. Let's have a recapitulation of the lesson. Students, you learn about ions. Now you know what are ions. Ions are the atoms which carry either positive or negative charge on it. If ions carry positive charge, these are called cations, and if carry negative charge, these are called anions. Then you learn about molecular ion, that when molecule lose or gain electron, they form molecular ion. They can be cationic molecular ion if they carry positive charge on it, and if a molecular ion carry negative charge, they form anionic molecular ion. Now there is an assignment for you. Question number 1 is define ion. You have to learn the definition of ion. The next short question is define molecular ion. You have to define molecular ion. Next short question is that how many types of molecular ions are there? Molecular ions के कितने types हैं ये आपने बताना है. So it was all about today's lecture. Thanks a lot and have a very good day.